Ever wondered how to navigate recessions and inflation like a pro? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of finance, and trust me, it's going to be a thrilling ride. So, fasten your seatbelts, because I'm about to share some strategies that could change your financial game forever. First things first, recessions. They're a part of our economic cycle, as inevitable as your favorite song coming up on shuffle. But remember, even though history doesn't repeat itself exactly, it sure does rhyme. Now, onto the ultimate financial playbook. Here's how to stay on top of your game. Stick to your current job, avoid risky ventures, and shake off those high-interest debts that are weighing you down. 2. Build that emergency fund. Think about having 4 to 6 months of your monthly expenses safely stashed away. Job loss won't be as scary, and you can wave goodbye to credit card debt. 3. Budget like a pro. Keep track of every dollar that comes in and goes out. You'll be surprised at the number of unnecessary expenses you can eliminate. To help you out, I've got a handy monthly budget tool. Now, ready to switch from defense to offense? Are you eager to make money during a recession? I bet you are. 1. Increase that income, time to hustle, negotiate for a raise, start a side gig, explore new opportunities. This could mean an extra $400 to $1,000 every month. 2. Get into investing. In a recession, everything's on sale in the stock market. Make regular investments in stocks and ETFs. Remember, consistency is key, and it's all about the long haul. 3. Real estate realities. If you're a first-time home buyer, listen up. The market may be down, but that's your cue to snag a deal. Follow the rule of 35, don't overspend on housing. 4. Business brilliance. If you have some extra cash, consider buying a failing business, or start a venture that solves recession-related problems. The sky's the limit. 5. Keep on learning. A recession can be the best time to build a fortune, so keep learning. Absorb as much knowledge as you can. There are plenty of resources out there, and most of them are free. To sum up, mastering the rhythm of recessions and having a solid game plan can make you a financial wizard. So go out there and conquer the financial world. And remember, a recession doesn't have to be a roadblock. It can be your stepping stone to wealth. Until next time, stay financially savvy and smash that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more financial wisdom. See you in the next video.